So case study number 3, a 65-year-old for $15,000 in coverage, okay? Came up to $260 a month. I hope you did a funeral service agreement with that and you work with a funeral director. You didn't. Okay, so 60 months right here for $15,000. So you paid 5 years into it. That's all the death benefit you had. The rest of it's a savings account. Came up to $31,200, right? $260. Case study number 3, 65-year-old, same $15,000 over here. $192. I could take the difference and put it in another policy. I can make it into a hybrid for a 20 pay right here for 2-year renewal. You know, I get paid on annual premium like final expense if we do the hybrid. You know what's funny? That I don't need reviews. If I did this $15,000, I could just make this a hybrid. Let's do this. It's because they're like, oh, just the hybrid plan? Let's look at this right here. Hybrid plan, final expense hybrid. I can fill out a funeral home. I can name it on a supplemental form, get the same thing because it's going to go into a memorial trust. The trust is allocating the funds directly to the funeral home, a cemetery, or a little bit back to the church as an endowment program. Sounds like a better opportunity to me. Sounds like it's going to stay on the books longer than me. Sounds like the client's going to get added benefits over here to me. Sounds like I'm not just sitting down on a desktop or on a laptop going through Excel stuff right here because my math is math because I'm out in the streets and you guys need to be too. That's real training. This is real training you get right here from a $1 million producer who can write with his own pen. Don't believe me? Look at the awards in the office. Show me your uplines awards. Where is all his or her awards at? They're not there. They're just making money off you. Okay? And I'm not chasing this for 12 months. It's going to fall off the books. And let's do the last one right here. Case study number 4. My God. I don't even know why they have this here because this is just a cash cow to a lot of agents. $25,434. You know y'all guilty for doing this one right here. You know damn well a client can add this up and know in 10 years they put $52,000 in here. A client can do math. I'm sorry, you know, YouTube, they can do math, okay? 60 months, you paid this policy completely off. It's a savings account that you don't own. Either the funeral director owned it because you did a funeral service agreement for what? I don't know what about. Okay, unless you're buying all these items, big caskets or something like that. If $25,000, better include the burial. Oh, I'm sorry, you didn't do a funeral, so I didn't even put that there because I didn't want to put funeral service because you're not doing it. Okay, so let's go over here. $25,000 right here for a 10 pay, right here, $320. I could take the difference of that $434, throw it in here and get another policy. Are y'all serious? And still have added benefits on here. What about if I don't want to get a funeral service agreement on here? Bang, I could do the final expense side on here, get it at $320, you know, a month or whatever, and make a hell of a difference. And still fill out a supplemental form, okay, and list the funeral director on there. So once the monies is cut, the death benefit paid, it can pay out to the funeral home. And it's still a 2% growth. It's still a 2% growth. Let me say that again. It's still keeping up that 1% nationally inflationary rate. So now the persistency can stay high. LCBA can do their thing. If Bill Feggins did 1,000 apps, they've been in business since 1890. They're not going to go out of business because Bill's doing it, by the way. Okay, don't let them tell you that. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, I've been to the White House. I'm sorry I had been to United Nations. I'm sorry I got a whole bunch of awards, and I can't help it that I'm black and other people think I'm a criminal. I don't have a criminal record. None of that. You know, but they'll say all of that. You know why? Because this right here is too much to handle. See, this is the truth. On my Cat Williams moment, this is the truth right here. This is what happened. This is why you need real training. Look at this right here. Let's go to the LCBA tablecloth right here. I know you guys see this. We can't do anything like this. You can't go to a church and the pastor bless this and you do a nice, great home tidying program for them. Okay, you can't get leads out of this. You can't get them to fill out these cards right here all day. Okay, to do a TV raffle. You know, a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. Really? Okay. Look at this. We have another policy, right? You talking about children's benefits? Okay, $25 a year, $20,000 in coverage. Okay, in a term policy. We have other companies too, because we're not captive. They don't know about this. We can do it. We can offer it, and you guys can get it. So this is a great way to segue into other products. So let's get into other products. You see on the table, free TV raffle too. You know that's going to break. You do not want a chargeback will. Writing those $25,000 and those $15,000 policies, and this is what's going on every 6 to 12 months for your clients. You're chasing them. You're on a hamster wheel all day. Persistency's not there. You got to get more and more reviews all day. Oh my God, there's a policy review. Oh man, we got to get that. This is what's going on. You don't need this no more over here. You come here, you learn how to sell. You don't like the way I teach it, stay over there. You got to be like that. because we're going to do things right. We're going to teach you because it's about the funeral director. We're calling that funeral home up and we're getting it and we're locking in the price. If you're not going to lock it in with a funeral director, you can do the hybrid way. And guess what? You can still make 70, 80, 90%. 9 months advance, 2-year renewals. That's not bad. Wow. And also we got a digital registry coming out. Whoa. And it can call and text all your guest registry books. Ooh. Let's go in here. Let's cross sell. They don't teach you this either. You don't even have an office to even teach you in. It's a damn shame. Client A, we wrote this client up. We got a lead card, right? We go back to the client's home. I ask them what they want. Miss Jones, what do you want? If you were to transition, you want a cremation or you want traditional? Call the funeral home up, get a price range, right? Can make $1,000, $3,000, depending if I write a pre-need, maybe a final expense, okay? I put age 60 and up, but you know we can insure anyone from 0 to 100, so we're not concerned with that. Cross-sell over, get them into a Medicare plan. The client's probably over 60, 65, get another $375, up to $750 if they're new to Medicare. Hospital indemnity plan, I can add on that too for my 65 and up or my SSDI clients below 65. If they're under, those same lead cards that we got from the church, because the lead program is free, oh great, I can get IUL leads and annuities, maybe annuity rollovers, ages 20 to 55. We have those children policies we just went into, guys, for $25 for a year. For them, we could put them in that, get them $20K in a term. Roll it over here. They ain't hear about a new niche product. Be your own bank. You guys know about that, okay? We have that. We also can help them with wills, living wills, power of attorneys, and trust too, okay, to protect their assets because we need to be protecting their estate, okay, period. Because no one's talking about that. They want to gentrify the neighborhood. We're trying to protect the neighborhood. Lead programs. Let's get into that right here. We have Cody asking leads and we have Facebook leads right here, okay? Based on production, you can earn these leads at no cost, $250, set it up, calibrate, put it on Facebook, get them out, plug in the Facebook business meta machine, $10 a day, can get about 2 leads a piece, burial insurance locally in your area, okay? In your demographics. Lead concepts, of course, you could choose those. You can get some great mailers on that. We have the mailers here. You can look at them. We have the church home tiding program right here already set up. Okay, costs nothing unless the church, you want to pay a love donation to come in and set up a vending table, or maybe they'll let you talk. Okay, you get a free lead allowance. That's the whole point of actually doing this. Not because of the commissions you're getting, because LCBA is giving you a nice, based on production, an allowance so you can use for lead credits, Cody's leads or lead concepts. And then also, LCBA has embroidery. Okay, so you can get shirts, tablecloths, material, everything you need to participate in a church, everything you need for clients, all the way to a booklet. Remember those booklets that you have at those other competitors that are doing vitals and statistics? Got them. Remember the booklets that showing the proposals, for whatever it talks about pre-planning? We have that too. You just don't see it, but we have those booklets. Look great for a client. Okay, a booklet, okay, that they can fill out so they can store their information in. We also have a cloud service too that we have with another service as well. So we have those legacy clients that want to leave a legacy, they can put it into a cloud vault. We have that. We have a digital registry. So we have everything you need. It's just classes and sessions. You need to learn pre-need, seriously, okay? Not from some Zoom person or just keep going over, keep showing you return of premium. This is the best plan out here. No, it's not. You're gonna keep getting charged back. It's not the best plan for our clients because they're not even doing funeral service agreements. If I do pre-need, it's because I'm working with a funeral director, okay? And I am, and they love our product. Loyal Christian, great. The prices are great. The prices are great, and also our commissions are higher, way higher. We're giving value-added benefits on top of it. Let's go, guys. Come on, guys. Class is in session. Get here. You need to be here on Tuesdays at class to learn this. So you can do client A because they're not going to teach you this, your upline. They don't care about our community, number one. They don't care about our funeral homes, number two. They're not in our funeral homes, number three. And by the way, nobody taught me pre-need. Let me tell you something. I had a business for years, okay? My LLC is not 1 year old. I didn't just get my funeral director's license. I'm not a funeral director. That doesn't mean anything. Funeral directors come here, they want to work with a business owner. How long have you had brick and mortar for? You know what I'm saying? Inside of Philly, 20 years. We can go back to New Jersey. I always had a brick and mortar. Since 2008, I had a brick and mortar. Where is your brick and mortar office that you could train people? Are they coming there? Are they on YouTube? Are you at funeral homes? I'm on YouTube walking in funeral homes. I'm writing the apps. I don't have to write pre-need to show people I know how to write pre-need. Agents write pre-need. Why would somebody like me have to go out there? I'm teaching you because I know how to sell. You don't see these awards? These are real. Oh, they're still here, by the way, from the last video. They're still here. $1 million in production with my own pen. You don't even have to look at it. Don't show them that because they just see the awards. They just see it. They got to stop playing. I write business. Stop that crap. We already have enough. These are agents' desks. You see all the mess on this because they're writing business. So anyway, look guys, look right here. Look, learn Preneed right here in the office. Let's wrap this up. Get here, get on stage. We're bringing funeral directors. We have other speakers. It's not just me. The point is that get out there. You want to help your community. First thing is to help the client. Stop helping your own pockets. Stop writing $25,000 policies or policies over $15,000. You're not even assigning them over to funeral homes. At LCBA, you will sign them to a funeral home to get paid that Preneed commission, or you could do the hybrid. You don't need to. You can do a supplemental form and still put the funeral director's information in the supplemental form. Isn't that better? And the prices are cheaper, and you get a residual? I'm not understanding. How is the value proposition less? I just showed you the competitor and the prices. You're putting it in a savings account. You only have a death benefit for 5 years. The rest of it's going to a savings account that you don't own as the insured. It's not mortgage protection return of premium. The money's coming back to the insured. It's going to a funeral director if they assign, or to a beneficiary, which is even worse. Because if it's going to a beneficiary, then they're going to get an at-needed service. The price is going to go up anyway. So what's the point? So you're just making money as a cash cow. You get the gimmick? You're not helping. You just put money in your pocket. All these $25,000, he did $100,000 this month. What funeral homes has he put on place? But if they tell you how many funeral homes that Bill Feggins put in, it'll blow you away. How much Preneed that they've written? Oh yeah, a lot. That's on place. Yeah, funeral service agreements. Yeah, yep, receipts. Yeah, Success has receipts. We have receipts here. You need them? You know damn well you should know me by now. I will post receipts. Yeah, let's do that. Let's post receipts. Let's have a contest. Who writes the most Preneed and places the business the most? Let's do that. Part 2, receipts. Get end on that.